The Jamaica Football Federation is in a race against the clock to complete contracts for the senior Reggae Girlz coaching staff. The JFF has officially released the staff, which will assist interim head coach Lorne Donaldson ahead of the final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. Here once again is Karen Madden.
It's been a hectic period for football's local governing body, with the senior men's and senior women's teams in competition and the under-20 men's team on the verge of competition. Added to that, the fact that the Federation has been embroiled in fusses involving the senior Reggae Girls and boys, the latter of which led to a near strike, resulting in the resignation of General Secretary Dalton Wind as demanded by the players. And though reports have since surfaced that Wind has not resigned, TVJ Sports has learned that he remains off the job. The Reggae Girls' preparation for July's CONCACAF Championship is starting on the eve of competition, following the imbroglio involving the players and former coach Vin Blaine, who later resigned. It resulted in a frantic rush to assemble a backroom staff, including former Jamaica international Lorne Donaldson as interim head coach. The JFF has now confirmed that national under-20 women's head coach Xavier Gilbert, Akalakani out of the United Kingdom, and former national player Alicia Whitehead will be Donaldson's assistants, with Whitehead in charge of conditioning the goalkeepers. The rest of the staff sees a return of members who were part of the team to the World Cup, including Sanford Carabin as assistant coach and analyst, and Bill Hitzenberger, high-performance director. But with the late employment and the absence of a general secretary, the staff is heading to the pre-tournament camp ahead of the CONCACAF Championships without contracts in place. Meanwhile, Donaldson has called up 26 players for that camp to be held in Colorado in the United States starting on Thursday. 23 players and 2 alternates will then travel to Mexico for a 3-day camp starting on June 28. The bulk of the squad is made up of players who made the historic appearance at the 2019 FIFA World Cup. The team will then enter the CONCACAF host facility on July 2, with the tournament starting 2 days later with a massive encounter against hosts Mexico. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.